Hey, it's Gino from Marion Computer, and in this gem we are going to go over System Restore. So now, why would I want to use System Restore? Well, I guess I want to. At first, actually, let's talk about what it is. System Restore allows me to bring my computer back a day or two, a week, a month, basically back to what's known as a restore point. Why would I want to do that? Well, if my computer starts acting a little weird, a little funky after I've installed some programs or did some things with it, then it would be really nice to go back in time to where things used to be good. So that's the option to kind of like, erase the mistakes that I made in my life. On my computer. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, off in the left-hand corner, we're going to click Start. And then in this area, which is the search box, also known as the Run box, I'm going to type in MSCONFIG. That's MS config, Microsoft configuration, which brings up the system configuration tool. Now, we're not going to go over the whole system configuration tool, because if we did, then this gem would be more than 5 minutes, and 5 minutes is my goal. But we're going to go to what we came here for, which is the startup. No, it's the tools, right? And then we're going to go down to System Restore. We're going to go ahead and click on that, and then we're going to click Launch. That was pretty fast. All right, and now we open the System Restore wizard, and what we want to do is we can go with the recommended restore point, the most recent restore point when something changed. Just recently I installed my M-Audio Fast Track Pro for my Pro Tools and stuff. But what we want to do is we want to go to choose a different restore point. Why? Because we're going to have more options. So we're going to go ahead and click Next. Okay, so we have a bunch of options here. We removed Norton. So do we want to put Norton back in there? If we do, we can click on that and then click Next, and we'll go ahead and restore back to that point. Or we can go back to when we removed Hamachi or installed the M-Audio, and basically it'll bring things back to where it was before. But what if we want to go back further? Well, we're going to want to go to Show More Restore Points. And that brings us back even further. Oh, I installed Oracle VirtualBox, which is a cool program that's used to put a computer inside a computer. I've never really tried if you can put a computer inside of a computer that's inside of a computer. But I guess, if you could do that, then you can put a computer inside a computer that's inside a computer when it's inside a computer. But that'd just be ridiculous. But it's good enough to just put a computer inside a computer, though. Whatever. Anyways, we're going to want to go back to exactly when we knew when things were right. We don't want to go too far. But, hey, about a week ago, everything was fine. It was all good just a week ago. But if we go back too far, then we might just, bring it back a lot further. And then we're like, oh, what about all the other stuff that we did? Well, it won't get rid of your files. It'll just get rid of your programs and your updates and stuff, which I guess is okay. But you got the idea. So you click on what you want, where you want to go. And then you click Next. Wait a minute. If I click Next, it's really going to do that. All right, I don't want it to do it, but you got the idea. You click Next, and what it's going to do is it's going to reboot the computer, or it's going to restart the computer, and it's going to bring you back to that date, back to the future, back to the past. You're in the future. I don't know. But once you go there, you can use System Restore to get back to the future, if you know what I mean. Then again, my name is Gino from Marion Computer, and this gem has been System Restore.